day and night. I should call you, but I can't. I walk around like I got prices on my head. All black with new tint, you can't see.
What is going on, YouTube? So today, if you don't already know, if you live in the DMV area, you should know it's cold as f. So recently I've been getting a bunch of questions about what's your exhaust on your car, blah blah blah. It's really honestly simple. It's a super simple setup. I think it cost me all in all $100. I don't know, it has a good sound. Like a lot of exhaust, like aftermarket exhaust, they kind of sound raspy and kind of like crap, and all you have to do is really just do what I did and you have a nice sounding exhaust. I'm gonna start her up for you guys so you can get a first hand look, so let's do that. So that's what she sounds like, fresh awakening in this cold weather. It's like 27 degrees out right now. Guys, I need you guys to post down in the comments below what you guys want me to do to roast the rest of these tires. As you can see, the tires do not look good. Leave a like right now if you guys want to see my girlfriend go to a drive-through and roast these tires for a video. Every like, if we can get to 100 likes, we'll go ahead and do that video and roast these tires. Holy fuck, it's cold. It's so cold, guys. Like, I don't know, like I'd prefer the heat over the cold any day. I'm about to show you guys my exhaust, basically everything I did to my car for it to get its sound, because a lot of people have been asking me like what I've done to the car to make it sound the way it sounds. And honestly, it's super simple. Like I said, it costed me $100. Let's go. Do you even Juul, bro? I'm not even gonna lie though, I stopped like vaping, juuling, all that stuff. I think I'm gonna try to stop the nicotine stuff just because, like, I don't know, like I feel way better, more motivated to do everything that I like to do, just with like one less bad habit. So I think I'm gonna like try to like knock out all my bad habits, just get my mind right. I wanna start grinding for YouTube, my job, everything. Shut up. Usually you're supposed to do that before you drive, but hey, we're breaking the laws right now. Comment down below if you guys get the cold too. Alright, we got some space. There we go, there's a nice little one. We're gonna go to this parking garage so you can really hear the crispy tone we have, but I'm gonna show you guys basically what I did to my exhaust. See if we can get some pops in here. We have a fellow cop pooper. My car is super dirty. Okay, so basically my exhaust setup. So all I did was I deleted the resonators, I believe there's two, and then I deleted the mufflers. So if you guys want to see, no mufflers. And then down the road, so there's no resonator right there. I have the cats. The rest are, I want to get the cats taken out just to see if we can shoot flames. Back of camera's all dirty. Now it's clean. Any exhaust shop that you guys should go to, I mean, it's literally, as you've seen, it's remove the resonator, add a pipe for the two mufflers, and that's all you really need. It shouldn't cost any more than $200. Mine, I got it for $100 because my buddy did it, but it shouldn't cost any more than like $200 for you guys. The sound you get compared to stock, like stock, you can't hear anything. Like this now, it's pretty noticeable just for that minor of a modification. Just put myself in park. Gotta spray some of that chemical, guys, on her just to get the area nice and clean so this camera doesn't fall off for you guys. How good the quality is sound wise for you guys, but I hope you guys can hear some of that stuff. Like I said, I don't know how the quality was on those, but hopefully they were good for you guys. I'm gonna get a couple flybys and we're gonna end the video. Not even gonna lie, I thought that truck was ready to run over my camera, just like, fuck you, man. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, all it takes for these cars, like $100 bucks, 150 bucks, 200 bucks or less. If you guys are on a budget with this car, super cheap, super easy, and it sounds really good. So just get your resonator deleted and your mufflers deleted, and then you can have this type of sound. Like, it sounds way better than stock in my opinion. It's not too loud, it's not raspy, it doesn't sound ricey or anything. It has a nice clean tone. So if that's what you're looking for, guys, spend the money, get it done, and you will not regret it. Like, you're gonna waste a lot more gas, I can tell you that, just because you're gonna want to hear the car. All in all, it's probably one of the best investments I did with this car. The only mod I've done to the car, to be honest. Looking into something in the future, but all I need for you guys is your support. I'm gonna do something crazy with this car. All I gotta do is leave a like, leave a comment, and if you guys have the time, have the money, go buy yourself some fresh A&A. See, I'm already used to that. Go get you some Ant merch, guys, if you guys don't have it already. It's like 20 bucks. You can help support the channel, help me out too as well, to do more things for the channel, for you guys to see some dope content. I really want to get this going, so if you guys can buy some merch, leave a like. That's all you guys gotta do to help support your boy. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Try to flex on me, girl, I can't see you. Loved her from the start, no, I can't